In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to limit COD on WooCommerce. If you're offering cash on delivery in your online store, it can be really useful to control exactly when and where that option appears. Maybe you only want COD for certain areas, or you want to avoid very low value orders using it. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to do that using a free plugin, and we'll go step by step so you can follow along easily. First, log into your WordPress admin dashboard. This is the back-end area where you manage your website and your WooCommerce store. Once you're logged in, look over to the menu on the left-hand side. Find the section labeled Plugins. Hover your mouse over Plugins and then click on Add New or Add Plugin, depending on how your dashboard is labeled. This is where you can search for and install new tools for your store. At the top right, you'll see a search bar. Click into that search field and type Smart COD and then press Enter on your keyboard. WordPress will search the plugin directory for anything that matches. In the results, look for the plugin called Smart COD for WooCommerce. When you see it, click on the plugin name to open its details page if needed, just to confirm you've got the right one. On the right-hand side of that plugin panel, click the Install button, and once the installation completes, click Activate. After activation, WordPress will redirect you back to your list of installed plugins. Scroll through the list until you find Smart COD for WooCommerce. Under the plugin name, click the Settings link. This will open the configuration page where you can control your COD limits. Here, you'll see a range of options that let you fine-tune when cash on delivery is available. For example, you can disable TOD for specific shipping zones or restrict it by country, state, postal code, or city. This is really helpful if certain areas are too risky or expensive to serve with COD. You can also control COD based on the cart amount. For instance, you might decide that if the cart total is equal to or less than a specific value, COD should not be offered. That way, very small orders don't use this payment method. There are also options to disable COD for certain user roles or for specific product categories. You can set product restriction modes and even disable COD on individual products if needed. Take a moment to scroll down through the page and explore the different conditions available and set them according to your store's policy. Once you're happy with all your settings, go to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. This will apply your new COD limitations to the checkout process.